Hello viewers, here is a Titan branded heater, and this is, here, model looks like TCM16. Once again we have made in China but serviced in USA. See if we can get a zoom in on this. This, let's see, is there a brand on here? Or not a brand, a day. I don't see a date on here. But I believe this heater is relatively old, probably dates back to the 90s. My grandfather used to have a heater like this. It was slightly darker in color, I think. And if you've been watching my videos for a while, you may recall a heater that looked just like this that I serviced. It was quite dusty. That was my uncle's heater. He had the same one. I believe his is still around. But I found heaters in general by this brand are very good. This is one of those ceramic type heaters, and it looks like the coils are largely blocked up with dust. So we're definitely going to have to get this one serviced. And yeah, you can see inside there, it's definitely got some dust blocking up the coils. So we'll have to get this serviced and cleaned out, but let's give it a test run first. It does sound like there's something moving around in there, so that's probably not a good sign. Looks like it was on the fan mode. I don't hear the thermostat cutting in or out. Of course, that's not to say it doesn't work. Alright, let's plug it in. Okay, let's start off on fan mode. Okay, it's humming, but it's not doing anything. Okay, so the fan appears to be locked up. That's just fantastic. Yeah, that's quite stiff. See if we can get it to go here. Yeah, that's really locked. Well, I don't think we're going to be able to get this to spin up. Yeah, that does not want to have any spin down time whatsoever. And this is not really the recommended way to do this. Don't try this at home. Yeah, it's starting to pick up speed. I'll give it another like 10-15 seconds and see if it wants to get going. Oh yeah, it's picking up speed a little bit. I'm not sure if it'll ever get up to speed, but let's see what happens here. Sometimes when the bearings warm up, they start to free a little bit. definitely trying to go. It doesn't have any spin down time to think of, or to speak of rather. It's starting to pick up speed now. Ever so slowly it's starting to pick up speed. Yeah, there's some air coming through now. Well, it's not, I don't think it's running at full speed, but it's running enough that we'll try the heat now. So let's try heat mode number 1. It's not getting hot. Oh, now it's getting hot. Okay, I'll try heat number 2. Okay, it is heating. It's getting pretty hot now. Oh, it's one of those that just cuts everything off. That's terrible. Let's see how our fan is doing here. Well, at least it has some spin down time now. So clearly this is going to need a lot of servicing, especially the motor, but it does seem to work and it does heat, so this will be another cool heater to have in my collection.